Enjoy God's blessing without guilt. Huwag kang mag-guilty pag ini-enjoy mo ang pagpapala. Pag bumibili ka ng pagpapala at ini-enjoy mo at ng iyong pamilya, huwag kang mag-guilty dahil yan ay sadyang pagpapala ng Diyos sa iyo. I'll show you the verse to prove it. 1 Timothy 6:17. Command those who are rich in this present world not to be arrogant, nor to put their hope in wealth, which is so uncertain, but to put their hope in God, who, referring to God, who richly provides us with everything. For what purpose? Come on, look at the verse. God who richly provides us with everything. What was in the mind of God? What was at the back of the mind of God? Why did He give this blessing and favor to you? For our enjoyment. So it's not wrong to enjoy the blessing of God. It's not wrong. Enjoy it. Ika nga, wear your blessing without guilt.